Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Tuesday, the 30th of August 2016. So yesterday afternoon, the market opened at the usual time. Big spurt to the upside there of about 35 points. Then this continued again through the 18,450 level. And then the market started to lose some momentum, trading back up to the 18,500 level. There we had a sell signal which wasn't filled, and the market hit the 500 level there and traded sideways. Then we had a buy signal, this wasn't filled, and then we had another buy signal which was filled, and then the market became sideways. As you can see, after the initial hour, which I've warned of over the last few weeks, that once you get the first hour out of the way and there's no news, then the market's going to trade sideways, and that's precisely what we see through the quieter part there. And in the first part of the evening session, we've got about 11 points. We've got the resistance to the left there, and then eventually you see the market working its way back. And at this point, back at break even, the market's done nothing. There's plenty of time to actually get out of this trade at break even or with a few points. I'd you have taken it, and then I got bored and turned everything off. So that was yesterday's session, more or less what spoke of in Monday's, that the market was likely to move higher and also in one direction, which is exactly what it did. So let's have a look at the bigger picture and also have a quick look at the implied volatility. So the markets managed to pull back after Friday's move to the downside. The volume is very low, which you would expect given that the UK market was actually closed. Market's trying to move back up to the all-time high, but as we start to move into September, I'm of the opinion things are going to start to get quite ugly with regards to the markets. There's certainly a sense in the background now that things aren't what they appear to be. We've got the negative rates on bonds and so on and so forth. It just goes on. There's a whole litany of events lining up, really, that they're trying to hold together with some sort of plaster at the moment, but eventually it's not going to work, and it's just a matter of time, really, before things start to fall apart. There's no way that it can be sustained, and there's no way that it's going to be sustained either. So we've got the situation where the market's trying to move back to the upside. I'm just going to draw in a retracement for you from this high down to this low, just to give you some idea of where the market's likely to come back to, and that's to the 18,588 level there. So we'll see if the market can manage to actually do this. News-wise, quiet one today. We've got 3 p.m. consumer confidence. That's the only one that should boost the market a bit. Also, normally on a Tuesday, I would say that the market would be fairly quiet and predictable as well. But given that yesterday was a holiday in the UK and that prices are likely to play catch-up, there could be a bit more volatility and more of a direction today as well. With this, so it might be just an exception to the rule today as far as Tuesday trading is concerned. And then finally, in the implied volatility, we've got 1017 down from 1105 on Friday, and that's reflected in the chart there. So that's it for today. I will see you in tomorrow's, or report in throughout today if the market remains quiet on what is best to do, as I have done for the last few weeks. And other than that, have a great day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.